When it comes to protecting your home from fire hazards, the Kidde HD135F heat detector stands out by alerting you to temperatures rising above 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike traditional smoke alarms, this device responds specifically to heat, making it an essential safety addition in areas where smoke detectors might not be ideal. This heat detector operates on a 120 volts wired power source with a 9 volts battery backup, ensuring continuous protection even during power failures. That means your family stays safer around the clock, no matter what's happening with your home's electricity. Installation is a breeze thanks to the Quick Connect power harness. You can set it up fast without complicated wiring, saving time and effort. Plus, the built-in test button lets you easily check the heat sensor's circuitry, horn, and battery status whenever you want peace of mind. One of the biggest advantages of the Kidde HD135F is its ability to interconnect with up to 24 Kidde devices, including smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. This feature lets you build a comprehensive safety network in your home, so when one alarm sounds, they all do. Just keep in mind the NFPA limit of 18 initiating devices for interconnected alarms. Certified by UL and backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this heat detector offers proven reliability. Its 85 decibel alarm is loud enough to alert everyone in your home, giving you precious seconds to react if temperatures start to rise dangerously. Users across the United States praise the Kidde HD135F for its dependable performance. While some mention that battery life could improve, the overall consensus is clear. This heat detector is a must-have for today's homes filled with constant electrical activity and potential fire risks. If you're looking for a heat detector that combines easy installation, reliable backup power, and smart interconnectivity, the Kidde HD135F fits the bill. It's designed to protect your family from fire hazards that smoke alarms might miss. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your home safety with a device that works quietly behind the scenes until it's needed most. Try it when you're ready to add a layer of protection that's both smart and dependable.